chemical properties of phenol. First வந்து it is reaction involving OH group. Okay, phenol la OH group reaction with zinc dust. So simple reaction, simple phenol when it reacts with zinc on heating, okay, it gives benzene and zinc oxide. In the O வந்து it goes with zinc and forms zinc oxide. Okay, so this is reaction with zinc dust. Phenol on treating with zinc on heating, okay, gives benzene and zinc oxide. Second வந்து reaction with ammonia. Phenol when reacts with ammonia NH3 in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay, phenol with ammonia, heating with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride will give you OH க்கு பதிலா NH2 போயிரும். So you get NH2. இதிலிருந்து ஒரு H வந்து water form ஆயிரும். Okay, next formation of esters, we call it as Scotton-Berman reaction. What is this named reaction? Very very important. Phenol with acetyl chloride. Phenol with acetyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide and pyridine. Sodium hydroxide and pyridine will give you phenyl ethanoate. Phenyl ethanoate and HCl. Phenol with benzoyl chloride, acetyl chloride, benzoyl chloride, sodium hydroxide, pyridine will give you phenyl benzoate. இங்க ethanoate CH3CO வந்து என்னது ethanoate, C6H5CO வந்து என்னது benzoate plus HCl. I shall do this reaction for you. Okay, so phenol C6H5OH plus இது CH3COCl in the presence of NaOH and pyridine. Okay, என்னது இந்த ஹெச்சோ இந்த சிஎலும் போயிடும். அப்போ மிச்சத்தை சேருங்க C6H5O COCH3. இல்லை அக்கார்டிங் டு த புக் எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா CH3COO C6H5 phenyl ethanoate. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து CH3க்கு பதிலாக if you have C6H5 அப்படின்னா இந்த இடத்துலையும் C6H5 வந்துடும். அப்போ இது என்னது phenyl benzoate. Phenyl benzoate. Okay, right, next is formation of ethers. We call this as Williamson ether synthesis. Okay, so simple phenol when it is treated with sodium hydroxide you get sodium phenoxide. Tomorrow I will ask this, what happens when phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide? Okay, you get sodium phenoxide. Then when it is the sodium phenoxide when it is heated with methyl iodide in the Na and I, Na and I will go off, and in the place of Na what will go? CH3. Appo this is an ester C6H5O CH3. இது நம்ம already we have studied. Anisole or methoxy benzene is formed. Next is oxidation. So phenol on oxidation with the acidified potassium dichromate, concentrated sulfuric acid and K2Cr2O7, acidified potassium dichromate, what happens? I told you, no, this structure is quinol. OH இருந்ததுனால it is quinol, but this is quinone. What is this? Quinone. Ketone இருக்குல்ல double bond ஓன்றதுனால 1,4 benzoquinone. So phenol on oxidation gives 1,4 benzoquinone. Next, reduction. Reduction பார்த்தீங்கன்னா phenol catalytically in the presence of nickel at 160 degrees Celsius it gets reduced to cyclohexanol. All the double bonds, how many double bonds? 3 double bonds were reduced to reduced. So hydrogen is added. So this becomes cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Next வந்து reactions of the benzene ring. இது வரைக்கும் we saw the reactions of the OH group. Now reactions of the benzene ring. இப்போ electrophilic substitution reaction. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் benzene will undergo electrophilic because it is rich in nucleus. It has more electrons. So what it will undergo? It will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, aromatic substitution reaction. We have already learned this in standard 11 that groups like OH, NH2 which are directly attached to the benzene ring activate the ring towards electrophilic substitution and direct the incoming group to the ortho and para. அப்போ OH என்ன பண்ணும்? Will allow the incoming group to the ortho or para position. Okay, so first reaction வந்து என்னது? Nitrosation. Nitrosation addition of NO. So nitrous acid HNO2 at 278 Kelvin. 278 Kelvin na another 5 degrees Celsius. Low temperature. Okay. Para position la NO group vandrum. Para nitrosophenol. Para nitrosophenol. Next வந்து nitration. நைட்ரேஷனுக்கு என்ன எடுத்திருக்கோம்? நைட்ரிக் ஆசிட். நைட்ரோசேஷனுக்கு HNO2 நைட்ரஸ் ஆசிட் எடுத்திருக்கோம். இதுக்கு நைட்ரிக் ஆசிட் எடுத்திருக்கோம். 20% nitric acid at room temperature at 298 Kelvin. 298 Kelvin at 25 degrees Celsius. Orthonitrophenol C, ortho position, which is 30 to 40% yield, and para nitrophenol, okay, which is 50% yield. Next, the ortho and para isomers orthonitrophenol and para nitrophenol are separated by steam distillation. Orthonitrophenol is slightly soluble in water and more volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas para-nitrophenol is more soluble in water and less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol ரெண்டுமே soluble in water. This is less soluble, this is more soluble. இது ஏன் less soluble? Because of intramolecular within the molecule, இந்த ஆக்சிஜனுக்கும் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு bond form ஆகும். Okay, whereas para-nitrophenol intermolecular between molecules they form hydrogen bonding. Next, இது nitration to give picric acid, very important reaction. Phenol, when it is treated with sulfuric acid and nitric acid at 298 Kelvin, it forms 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is called as picric acid with 3 water molecules. Next is sulfonation. Sulfonation. So phenol with concentrated sulfuric acid gives orthophenol sulfonic acid. Okay, paraphenol sulfonic acid. SO3H group is attached to the ortho and para position. Next வந்து halogenation. So phenol when reacts with bromine and water to give white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Okay, if this reaction is carried out in carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride at 278 Kelvin, a mixture of ortho and para bromophenols are formed. Phenol, bromine and carbon tetrachloride at 278 Kelvin, you get ortho bromophenol and para bromophenol. Okay.